OnePlus has officially confirmed the launch of its high-end separate smartwatch. In terms of design, the OnePlus Y3 sophistication with the stainless steel casing, a titanium alloy bezel with a PVD coating and 2D sapphire crystal display, all contributing its premium durability. The smartwatch will be available in two striking color options, Emerald Titanium and Obsidian Titanium. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The OnePlus Y3 stands out with its remarkable 120-hour battery life, powered by a 631 silicon nano-stack battery. Power saver mode usage up to 16 days. This efficiency is achieved through a dual-engine architecture, leveraging the Snapdragon W3 chipset for Wear OS 5 and the BES 2800 auxiliary chip for optimized in drones RTOS. OnePlus Y3 enhances the sleep tracking feature, providing users with detailed insights into their sleep quality and patterns. The improved sensors and algorithms aim to offer a more precise assessment, promoting better health and wellness. Additionally, the smartwatch incorporated comprehensive fitness and health tracking capabilities, powered by Wear OS 5, ensuring a seamless smart experience. That's all for now, and thanks for